Ninth graders, what's up? What is today? Today is class 97 solutions. Let's do this. So I'm going to do number 1 and 2 very thoroughly for you with the calculator. And then the others I'm still going to do, but I'm not going to show you the actual calculator button presses for every one, starting with number 3, because that would take forever. Okay. And I don't want to waste your time or my time. So number 1, we have to convert every value to the other units for the angle. For example, if they give us degrees, convert to radians. If they give us radians, convert to degrees. So number 1, we need to convert negative 45 degrees into radians. So we're going to go like this. Negative 45 over 360 equals what over 2 pi, right? So we're going to cross multiply. 2 pi times negative 45 equals 360 times x, right? So we can go like this. Negative 45 times 2 pi equals 360 times x, or you can just say 360x, right? So now in the calculator, let's do that. Let's go like this. There we go. I think that right here you can see the calculator. Let's go like this. I'm going to move this over here so you guys can see the calculator better. Nice. Okay. So we want to get the x alone. So watch how I do this. We're going to say negative 45 times 2, just in parentheses, and then pi, close the parentheses. Remember, there's a number of ways that you can correctly do it in the calculator. What I'm showing you is just one way. If you can get the same answer doing a slightly different method, for example, not using parentheses or something like that in calculator, you can still do it correctly a number of different ways. The way I think about it is like, when in doubt, use parentheses if you're not sure if you need them or not. Okay, so negative 45 times 2 pi, I'm going to press equals, and we get negative 282.7433388. Now we want to get the x alone, so divide. The negative 282.7 is the entire left side, right? So divide both sides by 360. We're going to go divide by 360, and you get negative 0.785, Okay, we're going to round to the nearest hundredths for every decimal we get. If we get a perfect whole number, then we'll just give the answer as a perfect whole number. In this case, we're going to round to negative 0.79. And there you go. Negative 0.79 radians is the answer to number 1. Beautiful. Number 2. Ooh, this is kind of nice having the video to the side. Maybe we'll do that more often. All right, number 2. Negative 17 pi over 18 radians. We need to convert that to degrees. So watch how I do this. Negative 17 pi over 18, right? Over 2 pi, right? Because 2 pi is one time around the circle, equals what over 360, right? So watch this. So we're going to cross multiply. Let me write it up here. Yeah. So we're going to do the negative 17 pi over 18 times 360 equals the 2 pi times x. Right, there it is. So now, watch how I do this in the calculator. All right, 2 pi times x. It's a little bit small, but I think you guys can see that. If you can't see it super well, you heard me. Also, if you want to turn the video to higher resolution, the maximum you can watch this at is probably 480p, 480. It might take a little bit longer to load, but you'll be able to see it more clearly. If you're watching it at 144p or like 240p, it's probably too hard to see. But 360 and 480 are probably both good. Okay, so watch this. In parentheses, negative 17 pi divided by 18, close the parentheses, times 360, like that. And then I'm going to press equals. Let me make sure I think I have parentheses on both sides. Yeah. Now equals. So the negative 1068.14 is the entire left side. Okay. So now we want to get x alone. So we're going to do both sides divided by 2 pi. So really, we're going to go the entire left side divided by 2 pi in parentheses. And you get negative 170 degrees is x. Okay. And there it is. Negative 170 degrees. Now we're going to have some fun. Watch this. Boom. Look at that. That looks so much cooler, I think. All right. It looks like there's a light underneath the desk, like shining up, you know, like in a TV show or something. But there's not. It's really just inverted color. All right. Don't forget that. Number 3. Now I'm going to write out the initial equation, and then I'm going to do the rest of the calculator without showing you for the rest of these. Because you can follow the same process I did for 1 and 2 for the rest. Or you can look at the lecture video also. All right. So 25 pi over 6 over 2 pi equals what over 360? Okay. Now on the calculator, 25 pi divided by 6 times 360 divided by 2 pi. 750 is x. 750. There it is. 750. Number 4. Negative 13 pi over 18 over 2 pi equals what over 360? What over 360, right? Negative 13 pi divided by 18 times 360 divided by 2 pi. And you get negative 130 is x. Negative 130 degrees. There it is. Negative 130. Nice. Next one. My nose is so itchy right now. Don't laugh. 7 pi, negative 7 pi over 3. Negative 7 pi over 3 over 2 pi equals what over 360, right? So negative 7 pi divided by 3 times 360 divided by 2 pi, in parentheses, you get negative 420 is x. Negative 420, boom. Halfway finished. Actually, probably more than halfway finished. Because the ones that give us degrees, I think are a little bit easier. All right. Negative 330 over 360 is equal to what over 2 pi? Right? Now, negative 330 times 2 pi divided by 360. Negative, let me see if you can see this. I want to show you this in the calculator really fast. I get negative 5.75. Negative 5.759586,532. So what is this rounded to the hundredths? Is it negative 5.75 or negative 5.76? It's negative 5.76 because the 9 makes the 5 turn to a 6. Okay. Negative 5.76 radians. Sweet. Number 7. 11 pi over 6 over 2 pi equals what over 360? Right? So 11 pi divided by 6 times 360 divided by 2 pi. I get 330 for number 7. 330. Boom. 3 more. Number 8 is an easy one too. 300 over 360 is equal to what over 2 pi? Right? 300 times 2 pi divided by 360. 5.235987756. That rounds to 5.24 if we're rounding to the hundredths. Yeah, 5.24 is number 8. And this is radians. 5.24 radians. Number 9. 15 over 360 is equal to what over 2 pi? 15 times 2 pi divided by 360. 0.261799387 rounded to the nearest hundredths is 0.26 radians. 0.26 radians. Last one. Then we're done. And you're done with class 97. And then it's almost class 100. Okay, here we go. 10 pi over 3 over 2 pi, right, equals what over 360? 10 pi divided by 3 times 360 divided by 2 pi. 600 degrees is number 10. 600 degrees. There it is. Boom. 600 degrees. Beautiful. Now we can't see all of this. Oh, look, we can see all of it, actually. Perfect. Almost all of it. So close. Beautiful. Guys, we are finished with class 97 solutions. Yeah, so next class is class 98, obviously. If you are in 9A, well, you guys are both classes are watching this on Wednesday. If you are in 9A, I will see you at 9 a.m. on Friday. And if you're in 9B, I will see you at 8 a.m. on Friday. Thank you guys for your attention. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next class.